All right, I want to show you where the application's at and really the dynamic features that we've been working on, specifically around our mapping. So here's our list of devices. We're going to go in the soil probe, um, telemetry, some digital twin stuff, map. You can see we've got no locations found. Here we've got our templates. So again, you're a firmware developer working with Azure IoT Hub, and locally on your edge device, you create these payloads. These payloads have properties and such, and then you publish them on the IoT Hub to get it into this application for rich functionality. So we're going to create a couple templates. First one's going to be just speed. Speed, it's location based, so maybe you want to see where they're speeding with this device for some reason. So this is going to be speed, and then this definition key is going to be what you're going to use in your firmware code to send over the Azure IoT Hub. So there's speed, speed attribute. Now we're going to create soil reading. So again, this is going to go in your firmware or whatever you're sending over the wire. Depth is going to be D float. And then let's say we're going to go for nitrogen and float. Let's say we want to go temp T float. And let's say we also want to see the compaction, so force F float. Okay, create template. So if you look at the template, basically this is going to be an example payload that you're going to put inside your firmware code. Again, that's going to either drop on, that is going to drop on the Azure IoT Hub. So if we go to the emulator, so this device has a device ID, which is the same as the one that's like your device recognizes. So this is going to be, so if we click on speed, let's say 90 miles an hour. So we'll say, well, the device will publish speed events whenever it's speeding. So we'll say he sped a little bit right there, send event. Then let's say he's getting real crazy, 105, right there. And let's say 44, it's like 20 miles an hour, whatever. Three speeding events. So we've got these, and then over here we've got our soil events, which has got depth, it's got different information. But let's first look and see the map. So the map now has the templates you created now have the speed and soil. So if we look at speed, what basically happened is that we dropped the message on the Azure IoT Hub, and then we're dynamically associating it with the configuration you put in. So if you click on this, you can see speed of 90, click on this, speed of 105, speed of 44. So it kind of shows like where the speed's going. If we take a look at soil readings, you got nothing there yet. So let's do an emulation on a soil reading. So let's say depth is going to be 3 inches, temp's going to be 70 degrees, force is going to be 40 pounds, nitrogen 60, latitude, longitude. Let's choose a different spot. Let's go into West Virginia. So boom, we'll do a soil reading there. We'll do a soil reading over here. Let's change this up to like 8, 90, I don't know. So we got a soil reading there. And let's get a soil reading here. 14. Let's see, 40, whatever. 20, 20. I don't know. Send it. Okay, come back to our map. If we go look now at soil readings, we got some nice trees in there. I guess we are in the Appalachians. So here's our soil readings, and you can like click on it. So here your nitrogen of 60, you're at the depth. And right now we just have it where we're like labeling. We've just got these labels with the data, but we're going to really make it a lot more rich and give it visualizations and all kinds of stuff so you can use this data. Basically, when you're creating these IoT devices, we're just abstracting away or helping create a nice application that you can just plug right into. So it's still work in progress, but it was exciting to see this. See you later.